Hi, welcome to a calculator tutorial by Equaser. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Sharp EL-W531TG W531TH and W535XG scientific calculator to convert degree to radian and gradian and one to the other. Let's say you have 65 degrees and you want to convert it to radian. To enter the value in degree, you have to be in degree. Here we are in degree DEG. If not, press the setup and then 0 for DRG, degree radian gradient. I'm pressing 0 now, and then whichever you want, because we want degree, press 0. So we are in degree. Now enter the value 65, and to convert it we are using this button here, DRG, which is a second function of this button with a decimal point. So I'm pressing second function and that button, second function and this one. Now it converts it to radian automatically, and you can see 13 pi over 36. And if you want decimal values, just press this change button and you will see it in that value. Now, one thing to notice, that the setting has changed to radian. This is another way to quickly change the format that your calculator works without pressing the setup. For example, if I press setup, press 0, that's the second, and then 0 again. So I press 3 keys to go to degree. To go to radian, maybe we go the same way, but still, even when there is nothing on the screen, doesn't matter what, just press second function and DRG. Now I'm going to do it and see it will change. Second function and DRG, and it changed to radian because it assumes that you're converting 0 to radian, and then second function DRG and it goes to gradient, and second function DRG, it goes back. So this is very easy. Now you have 1.3 radian to gradient. So now we are in degree. First we have to go to radian, second function, and then DRG. I'm in radian now. Radian, so 1.38, and we want to convert it to degree. If I press second function and this one, it converted to gradient. This is I do not want. So just press one more time, second function and DRG, because this value is gradient, it will be converted to radian. So second function and DRG. Now this is in degree, 79.068. Now let's say you want to convert 270 degree to radian. Make sure you're in degree, which we are. So 270, and to gradient, press second function and this. Now it goes to radian. This is 1 over 2 pi. Or pi over 2. Just press it one more time, second function DRG, and that is 300, the answer. That's it. This was how to convert degree, gradient, and radian one to the other using this Sharp calculator. If you like the video, please thumb up and also subscribe so you can get updates of my upcoming videos.